The Polaris 9550 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. Your pool maintenance worries are a thing of the past. This state-of-the-art automatic vacuum is specifically designed for in-ground pools up to 60 feet, offering advanced features such as a 70-foot swivel cable, remote control capabilities, wall climbing ability, strong suction power, and an easy-access debris canister. In this article, we'll explore the remarkable features that make the Polaris 9550 Sport an indispensable tool for pool owners. Efficient cleaning performance. The Polaris 9550 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner is engineered to provide exceptional cleaning performance. Its powerful vortex vacuum technology ensures robust suction, effectively removing debris of all sizes from your pool's surfaces. Equipped with a large intake opening, this cleaner effortlessly collects leaves, dirt, acorns, and other contaminants, leaving your pool water sparkling clean. Wall climbing and scrubbing. Unlike traditional pool cleaners, the Polaris 9550 Sport is designed to climb walls and scrub them thoroughly. The cleaner utilizes its innovative rear water propulsion system to navigate walls and waterlines with ease. This feature enables comprehensive cleaning, eliminating algae and stubborn grime that often accumulate on vertical surfaces. With its dual scrubbing brushes, the Polaris 9550 Sport guarantees a thorough cleaning experience, ensuring every inch of your pool remains immaculate. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.